Hello children, today we are going to learn invertebrate in animal kingdom. In this let us see phylum Hemichordata as well as Chordata. First let us see phylum Hemichordata. Hemi means half, chordi means chord. Hemichordata is a phylum of marine deuterostome animals generally considered the sister group of echinoderm. They appear in the lower or middle Cambrian. Phylum Hemichordata is a small phylum with only 100 known species, with animal having a worm-like appearance. These animals are also called as Acorn worm. They were initially grouped under phylum Chordata, but research has proved that none of these organisms does not have a post-anal tail or even the notocord, which is distinguishing features of chordate. Hence, these animals have been given a separate phylum called the Hemichordata. They are found in ocean, living on the sea floor. They vary greatly in size, ranging from a few millimeters to almost 1.5 meter. Characteristic of phylum Hemichordata. They are exclusively solitary or colonial, mostly tuberculous. Their body is soft, fragile, vermiform, unsegmented, bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic. Coelom introcellus, divisible into protocoel, mesocele and metacele. Buccal diverticulum, earlier considered as a notocord, present in the proboscis. The alimentary canal is a straight, complete or U-shaped tube. Sexes are separate. Example of Hemichordata are Balanoglossus. The body parts of Balanoglossus is divisible into three parts: proboscis, collar and trunk. Body wall with a single layered epidermis with mucus gland. The larva of Balanoglossus is Tornaria larva. Development direct or indirect with a free swimming Tornaria larva. Balanoglossus are ciliary filter feeders. Cilia and mucus assist acorn worms in feeding. Ciliary tracts converge near the mouth and form a mucoid string that enters the mouth. Next, we pass on to Chordata. Chordata are characterized by the presence of notocord, dorsal nerve cord, and paired gill pouches. Notocord. It is a longitudinal cartilaginous rod running between the nerve cord and the digestive tract. It acts as a support for the nerve cord and is replaced by the vertebral column after the embryonic stage in all vertebrates. Dorsal nerve cord. It is a bundle of nerves running along the back and splits into the brain and the spinal cord. It is hollow and lies dorsal to the notocord. Pharyngeal slits. They are the opening which allow the entry of water through the mouth without entering the digestive system. Post-anal tail. It is an extension of the body to the anus. In chordates, the tail is composed of skeletal muscle which help in locomotion in fish-like species. It is absent in most of the adult chordates. Phylum Chordata is divided into two groups: PROCHORDATA and Vertebrata. Phylum PROCHORDATA. PROCHORDATA are considered as the forerunners of vertebrate. Based on the nature of notocord, PROCHORDATA is classified into subphylum Cephalochordata and subphylum Urochordata. Now, let us see subphylum Urochordata. Example is Ascidian. Characteristic of subphylum Urochordata. The adults are fixed to the substratum. It is also known as tunicate because the body of an adult is enclosed within a tunic made up of cellulose-like substance known as tunicin. Notocord can be seen only in the larval stage and disappears in the adult. The nerve cord present in larva is replaced by the dorsal ganglion in adult. Urochordata undergo metamorphosis to larval to adult form. Next, we pass on to subphylum Cephalochordata. Example of Cephalochordata is Amphioxus. Characteristic of subphylum Cephalochordata. Cephalochordata are small fish-like marine chordate with unpaired dorsal fin. The notocord extends throughout the entire length of the body. Motile adult and larval stage. The tail is present throughout life. They show progressive metamorphosis. Numerous well-developed pharyngeal gill slits are present. I hope you enjoyed learning about phylum Hemichordata as well as chordata today. Thank you, children. Goodbye. Till next time.